Hello all, a warm welcome. This is Saranya Venkatesh. The topic which we are going to see now is Har Ghar Tiranga program. This Har Ghar Tiranga is a campaign under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to encourage people to bring the Tiranga home and to hoist it to mark the 75th year of India's independence. Our relationship with the flag have always been more formal and institutional than personal. So, bringing the flag home collectively as a nation in the 75th year of independence thus becomes symbolic of not only an act of personal connection to the flag but also an embodiment of our commitment to nation building. The idea behind this initiative is to invoke the feeling of patriotism in the hearts of people and to promote awareness among the Indian national flag. So, our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi has given impetus to this initiative by urging all the citizens to hoist the national flag at their homes between August 13 and August 15. So then, to ensure the mass participation of this event, the government has modified the Code Flag of India 2002. Now, we will look into what are the amendments made to the Code Flag of India. It was amended on July 20, 2022 to allow the hoisting of national flag during the day and night. The earlier provisions which was made in 2002 was that the flag could only be hoisted between sunrise and sunset. So, the new amendment also includes the provision of hoisting the national flag by the public, private organization or any educational institution on any day irrespective of any ceremony or occasion, provided they are following the rules and governing the dignity and honor of the national flag. The Indian national flag can now be made of polyester with the help of machines. Earlier, only hand-woven and hand-spun flag made of cotton, silk, wool or khadi were allowed. So, we have some rules which governs the usage of national flag. What are they? The hoisting, use and display of national flag is governed by Prevention of Insult to National Honor Act of 1971 and as we saw earlier, Code Flag of India 2002. So, this picture shows the evolution of our national flag. Then we will see what is the constitutional and statutory provisions regarding our national flag. Article 51A, which is the fundamental duty which talks about to abide by the constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. The present flag is based on the Swaraj flag, a flag of a Indian National Congress which is actually designed by Pingali Venkaya. After undergoing several changes, this tricolor flag was adopted as our national flag at the Congress Committee meeting in Karachi 1931. So, we also have some rules which governs the usage of flag, which is Emblems and Names Prevention of Improper Use Act of 1950 and the Preventions of Insult to National Honor Act of 1971. Now, we will see some of the significance of our national flag. The Ashoka Chakra at the center is the wheel of a law of Dharma. This chakra intends to show that there is life in movement and death in stagnation. So, the saffron color in the front denotes the courage and strength of the nation. The white in the center is the light, that is the path of truth to guide or conduct. The green color shows our relation to soil, our relation to plant life, on which all our life depends. Now, we will see some facts about the freedom fighter and the architect or national flag, Pingali Venkaya. He is the designer of our Indian national flags, that is the tricolor flag, and he was a farmer, geologist, lecturer and a nationalist. He was born on August 2, 1876 in Andhra Pradesh. He was a firm believer in Gandhian principle and an ardent nationalist. He went on to design many models of national flag, but in 1921, the Mahatma Gandhi approved a design at the Indian National Congress meeting in Vijayawada. The version presented by Venkaya to the Mahatma had two stripes earlier. which is green and red, and the Gandhian chakra at the center. On Gandhi's suggestion, Venkaya added a white strip on the top, and this became the original tricolor. Venkaya's flag was used informally, hoisted at all Congress meetings since 1921. Only in the 1931 the Congress adopted the tricolor. It became the standard of the Mahatma's non-violent freedom movement. So in 2009, on his legacy, a postage stamp was released, and also the Vijayawada station of the All India Radio was named after Pingali Venkaya, and also his statue was unveiled on the premises. Last year, his name was proposed for the Bharat Ratna by the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So this is all about the Har Ghar Tiranga program and the architect of our Indian national flag, Pingali Venkaya. I hope you understood this topic. If you have any doubt, leave your doubts in the comment section and hit the like button and share the video with your fellow UPSC aspirants and subscribe to Get Into IAS. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much. This is Saranya Venkatesh.